Have you ever wondered if Mars could be our next home? Our fascination with the red planet has inspired countless science fiction tales, but how much do we really know about this distant celestial body? Today we delve into 25 facts about Mars that might just surprise you. 1. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun in our solar system, often recognized by its reddish hue. 2. The planet gets its red color due to the iron oxide or rust on its surface. 3. Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system. Known as Olympus Mons, this giant stands almost 13.6 miles high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. 4. Mars also boasts the longest canyon system, Valles Marineris, which stretches over 2,500 miles, almost 10 times the length of the Grand Canyon. 5. A Martian year is 687 Earth days long, nearly twice as long as our year. 6. Mars has a very thin atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen and argon. 7. Mars is home to 2 small, oddly shaped moons, Phobos and Deimos, named after the Greek gods of fear and terror respectively. 8. The gravity on Mars is only 37% of Earth's gravity. That means you could jump nearly 3 times higher on Mars than you can on Earth. 9. Mars is host to the largest dust storms in the solar system. These storms can last for months and cover the entire planet. 10. The temperature on Mars can be as low as 140 degrees Fahrenheit in winter at the poles and as high as 70 degrees Fahrenheit at noon at the equator. 11. Mars is about half the size of Earth with a diameter of about 4,220 miles. 12. The first successful mission to Mars was by NASA's Mariner 4 in 1965. 13. Mars has a very thin atmosphere, which makes it an extremely dry planet. It is even drier than the driest desert on Earth. 14. The highest temperature ever recorded on Mars is 86 degrees Fahrenheit. 15. There is evidence of liquid water in the past on Mars. Today, water exists as ice only. 16. Mars is named after the Roman god of war due to its blood-red color. 17. The soil on Mars is particularly good for growing asparagus. 18. Mars is the only other planet besides Earth that has polar ice caps. 19. A day on Mars, also known as a sol, is 24 hours and 39 minutes long. 20. Mars is about 142 million miles away from the Sun. 21. Mars has a very weak magnetic field in comparison to Earth. 22. The average temperature on Mars is minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. 23. Mars is home to the most extreme seasons in the solar system due to the tilt of its rotational axis. 24. Mars has 37.5% of the Earth's volume and 10.7% of the Earth's mass, making it less dense than Earth. Finally, 25. Despite its dry and harsh environment, Mars is considered the most habitable planet in our solar system apart from Earth. In a nutshell, Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, is a world of extremes. From the tallest volcano to the longest canyon, from its massive dust storms to its polar ice caps, Mars is a planet full of surprises and mysteries. We've come a long way since our first successful mission in 1965, and as we continue to explore, who knows what else we might discover about our fascinating neighbor in the solar system.